Hey guys, so we have already arrived to the Burano Island, but we were super hungry, so then we decided to have something before we explore this Burano Island. So we were just passing through and we encountered this cafe. It has this unique pink thing, and you can see already behind me a perfect pink unique tree. I don't know if it's a Christmas tree or not, but I think it's a Christmas tree. And everything here you see, just starting from the table, chair, even the tissues, everything is super pink. Alright, so our food is here. I have ordered an espresso for myself, and she has ordered one chocolate. Milk, I don't know how it is said in Italian. And we have also ordered this classic club sandwich, which is like a slice of egg. On top of it you see the tuna fish and some ham portion, and it is finally wrapped with the lettuce. On this side you see the crisp onion, and we also have a small portion of pomes, which are known as a fries in India, and some ketchup. I think it's creamy ketchup or something. But this entire meal is under 20 euros. So if you are here in Bruno Island and if you want to grab something for just quick bite, the way we are doing, then this is the best and ideal option for you. And yes, if you have liked this video, then please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.